This is a question from MCQ soon after the PU syllabus in respiration, which says that the number of glucose molecules required to produce 38 ATP molecules under anaerobic respiration by any yeast cell is. I already told you yeast is a facultative aerobe. It can perform anaerobic respiration when oxygen is not there, and it will switch to the aerobic respiration when oxygen is supplied. Pasteur's effect is explained in yeast. Here the question says when you see 38 ATP, we tend to be carried by the aerobic respiration, and we do say it as one glucose molecule. Here the question is asking you anaerobic respiration. Correct? So, in anaerobic respiration, what is the only step which occurs? The only step which occurs is glycolysis. This is common for aerobic and anaerobic. In glycolysis, the number of ATP produced in anaerobic glycolysis. So we have two substrate level phosphorylation producing two substrate level, look for my concept video, substrate level ATP synthesis. This produces how many ATP? 4 ATP. And ATP consumed to activate glucose to glucose 6-phosphate and fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate 2 ATP. So what is the net gain of ATP? 2 ATP in anaerobic glycolysis. It is 38 only if it is aerobic, when it enters Krebs cycle. But it stops here in anaerobic. So one glucose molecule breakdown in anaerobic glycolysis gives 2 ATP. So to get 38 ATP, how many glucose molecules? So 38 by 2, that is equal to 19 glucose molecules in anaerobic glycolysis will give 38 ATP, because one glucose molecule in anaerobic glycolysis gives 2 ATP. The word anaerobic is the catch in the question.